Jatend migao mar thieth Aden Duale olando dwaro mar sirkal mar kedo gi wach mine gi nyithindo mayom mawito ngimagi e seche ma mine nyuol e ute mag thieth mag nyuol molos e lony manyasani. Koloso e tielo mar 4 mar puodho jopuonjre matiegore bedo laktache e osiptal mar Referral ma Kenyatta, Duale nowacho ni ute thieth duto nyaka gol nonro ma pile ka pile kendo yango gino mokelo thoe mag mine kod nyithindo mayom e kuonde nyuol matiyo gi lony manyasani.
Under the Digital Health Act, it is criminal when healthcare professionals either falsify or fail to report any health data through our Ministry of Health Healthcare Information System. And very soon we are going to introduce into our digital health superhighway where every facility, including our referral hospitals and our county hospitals, every morning through our dashboard, the reasons you report, and you must report every maternal mortality and newborn mortality in our country. It's going to be a rule. We know how many babies are born in our country. We know how many of them are reimbursed through the Social Health Authority. Now we want to make sure that no mother who is not a patient, who is healthy, who walks to this facility to give us a living, we are told that mother and her newborn are dead. We will not accept that.